Average holiday weight gain in American adults between Thanksgiving and New Year's is usually estimated to be around 1 to 5 pounds. If you're somebody who's known for baking really good cookies, chances are people want to see something of your recipe. Instead of making a batch of cookies for them, you could consider taking a mason jar and some ribbon, layer the dry ingredients in a jar, and then give them instructions on a card that tell them what wet ingredients to add, oven times, and baking temperatures. If you're somebody who likes to bake cupcakes, for example, consider making a whole cake. That way, when you give it away, you give the entire cake away and you don't have to cut a slice for yourself. Another thing that you could do is take a festive mug, put some of the dry ingredients in a bag along with instructions, decorate it, and then give it to another person so that they can do a microwavable mug cake.